Peonies are beloved perennials known for their lush, fragrant flowers and striking foliage. Their beauty and resilience make them a favorite among gardeners. In this friendly guide, we will explore the fascinating origin of peonies, their Latin names, color variations, and more. Additionally, we'll provide essential information on planting, care, maintenance, and common diseases or threats. Peonies Paeonia species originated in Asia, Southern Europe, and Western North America. They have been cultivated for thousands of years and hold a special place in Chinese, Japanese, and European history, where they have been revered for their medicinal, ornamental, and cultural significance. Peonies are generally hardy in USDA Plant Hardiness Zones 3 to 8. Some varieties may be able to tolerate the warmer conditions in Zone 9, but this depends on the specific cultivar. Peonies thrive in regions with cold winters and moderate summers, as the cold temperatures help them undergo the necessary dormancy period. In their suitable hardiness zones, peonies can provide stunning blooms and fragrance for many years. The genus Paeonia is comprised of around 33 species, with the most commonly cultivated being Paeonia lactiflora Chinese peony, Paeonia officinalis European peony, and Paeonia subfruticosa tree peony. Peonies come in an array of colors, including white, pink, red, coral, and even yellow. The color spectrum varies depending on the species and cultivar. Tree peonies Paeonia subfruticosa have a woody trunk that can reach 4 or 5 feet in height. Herbaceous peonies have strong, green, upright stems that die back to the ground each year. Peonies have compound, dark green leaves that are deeply lobed and provide an attractive backdrop for the flowers. Peony blossoms range from simple, single-petaled flowers to extravagant double forms. They typically measure 2 to 10 inches in diameter and bloom from late spring to early summer. Peonies are well known for their intoxicating fragrance, which can vary from sweet and floral to spicy and citrusy, depending on the cultivar. The best time to plant peonies is in the fall, around September to October, allowing the roots to establish before winter dormancy. Planting, care, and maintenance of peonies. Choose a location with well-draining soil and full sun to light shade. Plant peony tubers with the eyes buds 1–2 inches below the soil surface, spacing them 3–4 feet apart. Water thoroughly after planting and continue to water regularly during the growing season. Apply a balanced, slow-release fertilizer in early spring and mid-summer. Provide support for heavy blooms using stakes or peony rings. Remove spent flowers to promote plant health. Cut back herbaceous peonies to the ground in the fall, while tree peonies require only light pruning to remove dead or diseased branches. Common diseases or threats to peonies and the treatment. Botrytis blight gray mold. Remove infected plant parts, improve air circulation, and apply a fungicide if necessary. Peony wilt. Remove and destroy affected plants. Avoid overhead watering to prevent fungal spores from spreading. Powdery mildew. Increase air circulation, avoid overhead watering, and apply a fungicide if required. Ants are attracted to the nectar on peony buds, but are generally harmless. If they become a nuisance, use insecticidal soap or diatomaceous earth. Peonies are a beautiful addition to any garden. With proper planting, care, and maintenance, these stunning perennials will reward you with their enchanting blooms and fragrance for years to come. Please remember to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell.